Ungitshela iminingi ka-EMS.
Cishe ngathi economic freedom fighters.
Usenenye.
EMS konje kwakuyileyo madoda. Yo, ayangazi. Kwakuyini konje EMS madoda yileyo yini manje? Madoda ngifunde evafa bakuthi angizazi lezo zinto mina.
So Zoe, how much do you rate yourself out of 10?
I'd say a 6, maybe a 7.
How much do you think would other people rate you?
Same, maybe a 7, yeah.
Young Wang, how much do you rate this girl out of 10?
I would say 9.
9? How much would you rate yourself out of 10?
9.
Would other people agree with that?
I think so.
Can you rate this guy out of 10?
Oh look, 7.
And how much would you rate yourself out of 10?
Probably a 6.
Do you think other people will agree with that?
I think so, yeah.
How much would you rate this girl?
She's cute. 6 out of 10.
So, how much do you rate yourself out of 10?
Solid 7. Solid 7 out of 10.
Other people would agree with that.
I think so. Fair number.
How much would you rate this guy out of 10?
A 7.5, 7.5, yeah. He's decent. Cute in his own way. But yeah, not my usual type though. But yeah, he's cute. Not for me though, but he's cute.
How much would you rate yourself out of 10?
7.
Do you think other people would agree with that you were 7?
I don't know. I'm not gonna put that in the universe and say I'm a freaking 10 or people are gonna think I'm a 10 because that's gonna come bite me in the ass. So I'm gonna stick with my 7.
What did you say is the sexiest language in South Africa?
Sexiest language, my girlfriend's language, Swati, man. Swati, yeah, sexy, man.
Shout out homegirl, man.
Shout
hey. Oh, do you have any message for your girlfriend?
Yeah, man, I just love her. Simple.
The corruption, yeah. Like, change. There's a lot of students that are at home that don't have work. I'll change that and stop the machinery for them to also like come up with inventions and things. Yeah.
Great. What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis.
Listen properly.
Photosynthesis.
If they talk English, we move them.
Is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The plants and animals in food. Yeah, food. Food.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The plant's food.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is body mass?
Bod mass is brackets of multiplication, division, of subtraction, and
500,000 minus 200.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
it's 4800,000.
Money?
4800,000. No, 400. It's
Yiphi planet esikuyo thina? Planet esikuyo siku-Earth. Mangaka ama-planet sonke? Awunani. Ongibalele u4. Earth. iJupiter. Mars. Qhubeka Mars. Okay. Ne Pluto. Pluto. Oh futhi ishikambe Pluto ile enjani? Hayi asasingagxili lapho mfowami. Cha ukubalele le singibale iEarth, iJupiter, iMars. Isani kambe isani. Oh. Yo. Ambe ifuleke mfethu.
Singadideki bakwethu.
Ngiyapretenda nje akumnandi.
Hey cha impela ngiyikhohle bafuna ukugcina. Usuyikhohliwe? Ma Mfowethu igama lami uJokes.
Awu, mfowethu.
Angiphuza ngibhemi.
Mfowethu.
Ngidlala nje ujuice kuphela.
Where?
Here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Jokes somnyama ngiphuza ngibhemi ngidlela ujuice nje kuphela. Wes, uhlala mfowethu.
Angihlala khona la White bafu.
Uhlala White Air.
Kube yazi ngaditiswa indawo.
Who is God?
God is the creator of everything.
What's everything? Which everything? Who's everything?
Like so ilo wadala izulu nomhlaba.
Thiwa.
No wakuthiwa. Uyena owadala izulu nomhlaba. Nathi sila ngenxa yakhe.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
1 million minus 8.
1 million minus 8 ngasebenzisa phone.
I don't know. I'm still because at least tell me.
Calculate.
Before you sebenzisa calculate
1 million minus 8.
bank bese lithi bank ke sel deduct 80 rand.
Ama charges. Ongipha noma 30 seconds.
700 trillion. Don't interrupt it, guys, please.
That's 90. 97. Hey, uyibhala phansi guys. And then a ball of an encounter, and then ball of by
What is inside?
98.
Singadideki bakwethu.
Minus 80 rand, I 20.
Minus 80 rand.
Ibafu. Ngazi noma yona le.
Ngikwazi
990.
Uzibiza ngoba
Umgabisi.
umgabisi. Ngicela ukubuza mfowethu wakithi ngempendulo yakho nje. Ungathi ubani uNkulunkulu? Who is God according to wena?
Ayazi.
Hawu. Awumazi uNkulunkulu?
Joe.
Hayibo. Kahle futhi ngicela. uNkulunkulu ba?
Listen properly.
Angazi.
Hayibo. 1 million minus 8.
Angazi.
Cabanga kahle. 1 million minus 80.
Listen properly.
Damn. Ubani indoda yokuqala nje emhlabeni? The first man on earth.
Angazi.
Kahle mfowethu. Athi awusonti nini? Awusonti? 60 rand minus 2 rand.
60 rand.
Minus 2 rand.
Minus 2
rand.
59.
59.
Lies, and more lies. And
Birth of Jesus.
If I'm correct, it's the New Testament.
A New Testament.
If I'm correct, I'm not. I could be mistaken.
How many planets we have?
9 or 8.
Can you please name them?
Mercury, Venus. Wait, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, and Pluto. But Pluto is not counted as a planet anymore. So 8 planets.
What advice will you give to someone around your age or
Just live life. Look for peace in every war that comes your way, and just live life on a positive note. Don't look for anything that upsets you. If there's something wrong going in your life, look for the positive thing in it.
Thank you. God bless you.